Hello Augustians, today we're gonna make Zen Doodle. For that we need white sheet, pencil, eraser, scale and any color sketch. Start with making a border of 1 centimeter. To make the border, mark 2 points on each side of the sheet and join them to make the border. The smaller side of the scale is of centimeters and the bigger side of the scale is of inches. After making the border, we will make some wavy and curvy line to make mountains. I have made 3 mountains. Now on the top, make a semicircle for sun. After that, create some lines to make houses of the village. The height and the width of the house can be of your choice. You can experiment with the shape of the houses. After that, make the roofs of the houses. You can use a scale for that or you can draw it with free hand drawing. I am doing it with free hand drawing. You can also experiment with the shape of roofs. It can be of different shapes. After adding up the roofs, we will add some door and window to the houses to make them more beautiful. You can choose the shape of the windows. After making it, we will add 1 flower to it. You can also add 2 or 3 flowers. Now make a tree, a trunk and the leaves of the tree. Add some clouds in the sky. You can experiment with the size of the clouds. Add some bird. To this, we will start filling it with patterns. Here I am using U as the pattern to fill the roofs of the houses. You have to make small U's, one above the other, and fill all the roofs of the houses with the same pattern. Here I have almost completed the roofs. Zen Doodle is all about filling the space with different patterns. For the mountain, I am using lines to fill it. You have to change the direction of the line once you reach the edge of the mountain. The lines should be at the equal distance, not so narrow, not so wide, on a very decent distance. For the mountain in the middle, I am using horizontal lines. Again, the distance should be equal, not so wide, not so narrow. Now for the third mountain, we'll repeat the pattern of the first mountain. changing the direction once we reach the edge of the mountain. After completing the mountain, we will move forward to the other element of the drawing, that is tree. Make some spirals in the trunk of the tree to fill it, and a circle with a dot in between for the leaves of the tree. It will give it a very interesting effect. Fill the whole tree with this pattern. Now let's move to the clouds. You can use curved lines to fill the clouds. It will give it a very curvy and fluffy effect. Fill all the clouds with the same pattern. Now make semicircles in the sun. Give it an illusion and add some crisscross in the gates of the houses. You can fill the houses with different kind of patterns. I am using wavy lines, some curvy wavy lines. You can add spirals, circles, triangle, any shape or line to fill